Day 2 of the 12 days of Christmas DIYs, and today I'm showing you how I created this cozy winter coffee table centerpiece, starting with a $5 bowl from Hobby Lobby. It's budget friendly, easy to make, and it brings so much warmth into my space. Let me show you how I did it. I love creating DIYs that not only fit my holiday theme, but also blend with my year-round decor. This centerpiece was inspired by a designer look, but I wanted to make it my own and for a fraction of the price. With just a little creativity and some simple materials, I turned a plain bowl into a stunning focal point for my coffee table. It's just me for this project, along with my $5 bowl, a textured paint technique, and a collection of cozy winter fillers like greenery, jingle bells, pine cones, beaded garland, and lights. Let's get started. My goal: transform this simple plastic bowl into a designer-inspired piece with a textured finish. Then I'll style it with festive fillers to create a cozy winter look that ties together my coffee table decor. The best part? It's all super affordable and easy to do in under a day. First, I prepped the bowl by cleaning it thoroughly. Always an important step. Then I painted the outside using acrylic paint mixed with baking soda for texture. While waiting for the paint to dry, I started gathering my fillers: pine tree greenery, pine cones, a neutral beaded garland, and jingle bells. All these little touches make the centerpiece feel warm and inviting. The most challenging part? Getting the texture just right. It's all about finding the balance between rustic and refined. Plus, I had to make sure the paint fully covered the bowl without leaving streaks or patchy areas. I couldn't find big gold jingle bells, so I went for the silver ones, but decided to paint them. I had gotten this gold paint at a yard sale and had never used it. It turns out they require 4 hours to dry. It would have been better to use gold acrylic paint or spray paint to do this faster, but I love how these jingle bells turned out. This step takes a little patience, but trust me, the results are worth it. Once the paint dried, I styled the bowl with my fillers. I started with greenery as the base, then layered in pine cones, the garland, and lights for that cozy glow. The jingle bells were the perfect finishing touch for a festive holiday vibe. Finally, I paired the centerpiece with a green tree and 2 little white houses to complete the coffee table styling, and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. In the end, this $5 bowl turned into a centerpiece that looks like it belongs in a designer catalog. It's simple, cozy, and brings so much joy to my space. The best part? I can easily customize it for other seasons by swapping out the fillers. This project reminded me that small details can make a big impact, and a DIY doesn't have to be complicated to look amazing. Thanks for watching day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas DIYs. Tomorrow, I'll be sharing day 3, where I'll show you how to turn recycled boxes into home decor. See you there.